Let's dive into intellectual property strategy. Specifically, why do buyers prioritize active patent families? The secret to a high-value exit often lies in the strength of your patent portfolio. Active patent families significantly increase your attractiveness to potential buyers and investors. Understanding the core concept of active patent families is crucial for long-term IP value creation. An active patent family involves multiple related patents, unlike a single patent, ensuring ongoing protection and broader claim scope. Continuity and breadth of claims are vital. They show a clear development path and hedge against future invalidation challenges. From a buyer's perspective, active patent families dramatically reduce risk and signal higher intrinsic value. Buyers prefer active families because they provide stronger litigation defense, giving them multiple lines of protection for their investment. An active family demonstrates sustained innovation and ongoing investment in the technology, which is a major signal of long-term viability. Active patent families unlock diverse and lucrative licensing opportunities that single patents often cannot achieve. Active families offer greater flexibility in defining licensing models, allowing for customized agreements and maximizing revenue potential. The broader scope of protection offered by active patent families directly translates to a higher licensing value and better terms. Strategic patent maintenance is the foundation that keeps your patent families active and high value. Never miss maintenance fees. Timely payment ensures the continuity of rights and preserves the family's integrity and value. Strategic prosecution, focusing on new claims and related applications, continuously increases the patent family's value over time. In conclusion, building and maintaining active patent families is the clear path to unlocking premium valuation. Remember, active patent families are synonymous with high-value exits and reduced risk for any interested buyer. Plan your IP strategy today to ensure your innovation receives the protection and premium valuation it deserves tomorrow.